In today's activity, we will try to understand our respiratory system. Our respiratory system is responsible about take in oxygen and take out carbon dioxide. It is going to start from our nose, the nostril, the mouth, and then there is a pipe which is known as windpipe, and windpipe is going to be connected with to trachea. Trachea are the two tubes, and then there are the lungs. In the lungs we have alveoli, and all these two lungs are situated in one of the opening. We call it thoracic cavity or chest cavity, and the space of cavity is going to be controlled by a muscle we call diaphragm, which is able to regulate the internal pressure. This is the activity where I will show you a one lungs model. It's very simple. What you need a bottle, transparent bottle. This bottle space act like a thoracic cavity, and then you need a straw. This straw is act like esophagus or windpipe. Okay, and at the end there will be a one lung. And the lung will introduce by a simply a balloon. I have already made a one lung model for you. It is very simply, you can made it. Just fix a balloon over there and make a hole with the help of some tool and insert this straw there, and at the bottom there is something which is diaphragm. So before going to start activity, you must know about the pressures. Pressures play important role. Air can move from high pressure to low pressure. If the pressure is constant, air can't flow. So my dear student, if we want to air come inside, oxygen come inside, then the outer side there the atmospheric pressure should be high as compared to in. The pressure inside should be reduced. How we can reduce the pressure? Assume here pressure is same. Okay, so if I am going to decrease the pressure inside by increasing the volume, because let's suppose there's some fixed volume of air is present inside, and also here some volume of air is present. So if I will open that thoracic cavity, this is like a thoracic cavity, and if I pull it down, pull this down, this muscle which show with this resemble like diaphragm, a muscle which will increase internal pressure or decrease internal pressure. So if I will pull it down, observe here what happened and why this happened. You can see it is inflating. Why it is going to inflate? Because the air is going to rush inside. Why the air is going to rush inside? Because when I'm going to pull it down, the air pressure inside is going to be decreased on the outer wall of this lungs balloon, which is showing a lung, and such that the outer air rush inside to balance that pressure. So when I will pull it down direction here, you can see when I will pull it down direction, then internal volume increase, pressure decrease, and then the outer pressure increase, and the air will be rushed inside into the balloon. Okay, right? So this is, you can see here the balloon is good. But whenever I will decrease this pressure, look here, when I will push it inside, it is going to be squeezed. It means air is going outside from lung. Why? Because when I will push it inside, the internal volume decrease. When the volume decrease, then the pressure increase. Whenever this pressure increase, outside relatively pressure decrease, so the air from the balloon will move upside. So simply look in a systematic manner, like I'm pulling it this direction, it's mean internal pressure decrease, because volume is going to be increased inside, pressure decrease, and external pressure increase, and from outside air rush moving, then moving the pressure inside, pressure increase, and so the air will move out, pressure inside decrease, pressure inside increase, decrease, increase, decrease, increase, decrease, increase. So this is the phenomena by which this transfer of air from inside to outer, outside the inside is happening. So this is the system about which I'm going to talk about. Thank you very much. I hope so you enjoy this activity and you learn about something about it. Thank you very much. Almighty Allah bless you. Take care.